If you've been looking at uskewer.com and wondering whether it's actually legit or just another online store you should avoid, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll go over what the site offers, what stands out, and a few things you should check before placing an order. So, let's get started. Uskewer.com is an online store that focuses on kitchen tools and grilling accessories. You'll find items like barbecue skewers, grilling gadgets, and other cooking products designed for home chefs and outdoor cooking fans. At first glance, the website looks clean and easy to use. The products are organized into categories, making it simple to browse. Product pages also include photos and descriptions, which can help you understand what you're buying. One thing many shoppers like is the variety. Instead of selling hundreds of unrelated products, the store sticks mainly to its niche. That usually makes shopping a bit easier. Now, is uskewer.com legit? Based on the website itself, it appears to be a real online store. However, that doesn't automatically guarantee every shopping experience will be perfect. Before buying, it's always smart to look for recent customer reviews on independent websites. Check ratings, delivery experiences, and how the company responds if problems come up. You should also review the store's shipping policy, return policy, and refund process. Knowing these details before ordering can save you time and frustration later. Another good habit is paying with a secure payment method, such as a credit card or a trusted payment service. That gives you extra protection if something goes wrong. As with any online store, be cautious if you notice prices that seem far lower than everywhere else. Deals are great, but if something looks too good to be true, it's worth taking a closer look. So, what's the final verdict? Uskewer.com appears to be a legitimate online store that specializes in grilling and kitchen accessories. Still, it's always a good idea to do a little research before making a purchase. Read recent customer feedback, understand the store's policies, and use a secure payment method. That way, you can shop with more confidence and avoid unnecessary surprises.